Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gautami from Freshers Camp. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Today, I am going to talk about a free C programming certification course on Windows for beginners. In this course, you will learn to master C programming language and you will be taught by a professional. C is a general purpose procedural computer programming language supporting structured programming, lexical variable scope and recursion with a static type system. Now, what are the requirements for learning this course? Well, there is no requirement, or I must say no prior requirement. Step by step, you will be taught everything in C, and after following each video lecture, you will be able to know and master C little by little. You are going to learn a lot of things in this course. Firstly, you are going to learn the C language thoroughly. Secondly, you are going to learn how to use the GCC compiler manually. Also, you will be able to learn how to manage project building or automate project building using makefiles. And what does this course include? This course includes 5 hours of on-demand video lecture and a coding exercise. Also, you will get access to this for your lifetime, and also you will be able to access this on your mobile as well as your smart TV. Now, how are you going to enroll for the course? Go and check out the article that I have linked in the description box below. Also, do sign up or log in at udemy.com and then click on the link that is provided in the article. Also, do not forget to apply the coupon code that is also mentioned in the article. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video. If you do so, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please do follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The handles of both are provided in the description box below.